Hi guys, today we're gonna learn how to make chicken fried rice. This is something that I do very often and it is really yummy. So firstly, get a piece of chicken thigh. You can choose other pieces of the chicken, but chicken thigh is the most soft part of the chicken. Cut it into small dice, like for about 2 centimeters. Marinate the chicken with 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, a bit of white pepper powder, about 1/4 of teaspoon. Then marinate for about 10 to 15 minutes. It's optional, but I usually have also fried eggs with me, and it also gives a very nice taste to the dish. Crack 2 eggs, mix it, then pan fry the eggs. To pan fry the eggs, set the wok in very high heat, heat it up, and then add some oil. Wait for the oil to heat it up, and then add the eggs. By this, the eggs won't stick on the pan. This is really easy. Don't worry about using the non-sticky pan. Just not use the normal wok is all fine. Then set aside. I usually cook the fried eggs first because the eggs are usually the most trickiest to cook. After that, we cook the chicken. Heat up the wok again, add some oil. You don't have to clean the wok because we're gonna stir fry everything together anyway. Then add the chicken, pan fry chicken. At the beginning, you don't have to stir fry the chicken first. Just wait for about 30 seconds to 1 minute, let the chicken to cook a bit. Then after that, keep stir fry the chicken. Cook until the chicken is almost cooked, because after that, when we stir fry the fried rice together, it's gonna be a very short time. So make sure everything is cooked. Then set aside. After that, we're gonna cook the vegetables. The wok looks a little bit dirty, but it doesn't matter. Just add some oil. Cook any kinds of vegetables you like. So my fridge have some spinach left, so I gonna cook spinach today. Stir fry the veggies until they are softened. Then set aside. Awesome, we are almost done. So this is the last part. We now gonna cook the rice. So usually we use the leftover rice, but it doesn't matter if it is freshly cooked. You can still use it to make fried rice. Add some oil at the beginning, and then add the rice. Stir fry the rice first. Use the spoons to press the rice if it is necessary. Say if they stick it together, it's very hard to stir fry. Just use the spoons to mix it. Then after that, add all the ingredients we just cooked. We have spinach, we have chicken, and we have the fried eggs. Add to the wok together, and then stir fry in medium to high heat for 1 to 2 minutes. I like adding oyster sauce to the fried rice. It tastes really good. Usually add about 1 to 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce and then mix it very fast for about 30 seconds. Then after that, it is done. After that, transfer the fried rice into the serving bowl. Then this is your dinner. You don't have to order the expensive Chinese restaurant or wait for the takeaway delivery. Just do it at home. It's simple, easy, and fast.
我食緊有飯
咁你形容下點樣好食啊？你話好好食？
好好食。
係啲咩炒飯嚟㗎？
唔記得。
唔記得唔緊要，慢慢望住跟住形容下。
記炒飯。
有㗎，有冇開心？好啦，研究啦。